there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star.
Feeling too comfortable, I don't think I can be satisfied. 2015 thought I had it all. Watch it all slow down just overnight. Never forget about the younger life. Wrong decisions led to sacrifice. A blessing in disguise got me working overtime. Now I'm on top like LeBron. I'm ripping the beats and becoming the beats, and they smelling the beat when they come for me. Everyone looking around and they wondering how did these blessings all come to me. Started recording in bedrooms and now I've been turning my name to a company. They copying all of my moves, they think I'ma lose, I think it's a compliment. I'm never gonna settle, I always want more, I'm counting accomplishments. They making up lies, they jealous inside, but work is what got me in. There's no time to waste, I'm busy like 24 hours a day, responding to every fan. I'm talking to people from all over every continent. I'm feeling the weight of the world and the pressure been building. I'm ready to feel in my destiny. Everything's set for me, no one was meant to be. Pray for my enemies, cause I've been growing. I've never been slowing, I live in the moment. I've been in control and I'm ready for more. And I'm taking it all and I'm never gonna fall. Cause I know I want the world, yeah I want the world. Yeah I want it all, said I want the world. Yeah I want the world, I'm coming to get it. Don't care what you heard, don't care what you heard. I'm taking it all cause I want the world. Yeah I want the world, yeah I want the world. I want $1 million cash so I can give back to people who pay me their time. They tell me that time equals money, so I put the team on my back. I do it all for the family. Everyone think they can rap, nobody ever gon' challenge me. Starting my week on a Sunday, they think they can make it in one day. I just been ready to take off, waiting my turn on the runway. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Never be turning around, never be turning around, ayy. Never be slowing it down, never be slowing it down, ayy. I keep my foot on the gas, I keep my foot on the gas, ayy. I know I'm never gon' crash, I know I'm never gon' crash, ayy. Everyone making excuses, I've been busy making music. They just wanna see me fall off, know that I'm never gon' lose it. Kinda addicted to the chase now, people saying that I changed now. Know that I'm never gon' stand still, I'm treating the game like a race now. They really been carefully watching me, they treating me like I was calories, but really they can't get enough of me. They treating me like I'm a salary. All of my victories, all of a sudden they all gonna be mad at me.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, the fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight, I'm a heavyweight.
Ed eccoci qua alla fine della presentazione della nuova moto. Per chi non l'avesse capito, la mia nuova moto è il KTM XC 600 due tempi. Succhia come una maiala in calore. Non è come quelli nuovi che hanno l'iniezione, ma è a carburatore, quindi fiumi di benzina. In descrizione vi lascio il link dove potete acquistare i prodotti che ho applicato alla mia moto, come per esempio le grafiche di Iana.it. Per motivi di tempo non ce l'ho fatta a montare anche il copricella della VD Racing e è veramente stupendo, non vedo l'ora di montarlo. Appena monterò il copricella metterò un post su Instagram dove ci sarà la foto, quindi seguitemi e commentate la foto quando uscirà. Ditemi cosa ne pensate della nuova moto sotto nei commenti e lasciatemi delle domande che ci farò. Seguito ci farò un video dove risponderò a queste domande qui. Spero che la nuova moto vi piaccia, spero che il video vi sia piaciuto. Se arrivate a questo punto del video scrivete il KTM in monoruota, scrivete, attivate la campanellina, mettete mi piace, commentate e ci vediamo a un prossimo video. Ciao belli.